Ed Highland, and this is ITSEC TV. And I'm joined now by Sebastian who's with DBOX. And Sebastian, we really wanted to talk a little bit about what's going on with the industry and really about some of the challenges modeling and simulation can help the military overcome.
So, thank you, Ed. And today, what we're presenting and what we wanted to chat about is really this need for innovation. And the more we see the upcoming trends in the market, the more we see a need for new ways to train, new ways to create simulations and to be more cautious of the cost constraints that people are facing. And innovation becomes a very, very important thing. So on the show floors these days, you will see a lot of things that are very, very different to what you saw in the past. Even 10 years ago, interoperability becomes a very, very, very important thing. It was already, but now you see it as real solutions being shaped up, where different parts of the puzzle are being put together in new ways. And when in the past you had a lot of systems that were monolithic standalone systems, you see more and more simulators being developed by bits and pieces created by different suppliers, which create these COTS solutions.
And the solutions include taking off-the-shelf type programming and basically giving it a new environment, a more interactive and, as you say, interoperable environment.
Yes, these environments are really meant to focus in a different way on how you train. In the past, we were really thinking about building things that were so close to reality. We're really excited about it, and the more we think about it, the more we know now that we need to stop simulating and start training people. And this new trend of focusing on the curriculum and the way we train and the goal of the training itself instead of the technology that we use for the training is becoming very important.
And I'm joined now by Tess Butler, who's the PR person for Bohemia, but also the chairman for ITSEC 2015. Tess, give us some idea with the increasing complexity of the modeling and simulation. How can the industry remain flexible for the military?
Okay, well, Ed, I've spoken to hundreds of people this year in the military, in training delivery users and across schoolhouses as well as industry. And not only are the technologies more complex, the operational environments in which they're supposed to work are increasingly complex. So the challenge for industry is to deliver technologies that aren't that difficult to use. The power has to be with the user. The user wants to take control of how they create the content for their training, how they deliver it, whether it's online, mobile, into front lines, into schoolhouses. That's the most important thing for them right now.
And Tess, how about the speed of incorporation of that flexibility?
Well, that's where COTS technologies come in, and it really gives the user the ability to actually deliver that quickly, flexibly within their own environment.
Tess Butler, Chair of ITSEC, thank you so much for joining us right here on ITSEC TV.